Okay, welcome back everyone. And this episode we are creating a collision manifold. Last time we created a collision detection for circles with each other, and now in this episode we are creating a class for storing collision information. Okay, and for this I'm just gonna create a new file and call this one collision manifold. JS. Okay, and the class is also named same. It's gonna have a constructor, and the parameters is one def, then second, or first the def, second the normal, and third the penetration point. And we need those three later on to resolve our collision. First, just set the memory variables to these values. And this dot penetration point is equal to penetration point. Okay. This method has this class has three methods. One is called resolve collision. I'll leave it empty for now. We're gonna need it later. Also, it's gonna have a method called positional correction. I'm going to leave that empty too, and a draw method. And I'm going to pass the canvas context. Okay, that's everything for now. We will fill that class later on, but for now, for simplicity reasons, we just leave it empty. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is to add this class to our engine. So just call collision manifold.js, and there we go. Okay, that's for this episode. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how we can actually push circles apart from each other. See you there. Bye.